Shout out to Pure Butterfly Spirit, and this one's for you. This one was kind of interesting because I actually ended up mixing a purple and a pink holographic together to get the final look, and then I used a purple with the satin finish for my base coat. But if you look closely, you'll see it has a lot of purple flakes and blue and turquoise flakes. Isn't that so pretty? I thought it was really pretty. But yeah, I'll have to leave the link in the description. Because I got this one actually off of Etsy from someone on there she actually makes her own polishes and stuff like that. So I'll leave the link. But yeah, tell me what you think. I thought this one was really pretty. Thank you for watching. Peace.